Gonna go over a second time. Hang on. Balance it here, Aaron.
Yeah.
Can you run your machine over there and get a winch line on it?
Yep. Where do you want it?
I'm thinking the floorboard or the kind of cut right into the seat though. Give us a little slack. Right there. Let it rest for a second. Think our way out of this, okay? So if it goes over, it's going over again.
Oh.
So we gotta
We
power it and drive it forward.
We could drop it slow enough
Or
that it will set down onto that rock.
there's nothing good and resistant that the winch cable's going over. It's going to cut into the seat, cut into the plastic. How about we put a machine on it, put it in neutral, and we pull it forward? Can we do that?
We could do that, or I could pull it backwards. I can get up there and pull it back up out of there.
No, we need your machine to keep it like this because it's pretty well balanced.